What's up, everyone? Bill, Cali Moto TV, also with Cali Track Days, here for our final video today. I just stole the Gixxer for you guys. We've got our body position clinic getting ready to head out, and Wagner wanted to use this thing, and I was like, I need one more video for the channel, but I wanted to run this thing, man, because I love this thing. So hope you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna go out, see what this thing's got. We're in the B group, so this should be good. But let's head out and see what we can do on this thing. Nothing major, probably slow. So how's your guys' day going, huh? We're here at a beautiful Thunderhill Raceway. One of the absolute best times to ride this track is right now. We got a little drizzle earlier, but the rain has held out, so hopefully we'll get a good video here without any rain. But temperatures are ideal. We're like 68 degrees. It's beautiful. It's a little warm, obviously, in this suit, but my undergear is keeping me nice and cool. So we're going to run a quick session on the Gixxer and go from there. This should be fun. So we're gonna get some heat in the tires, like I always say. Acceleration and brake. Acceleration and brake. Oh yeah. Stay to the right. Acceleration and brake, acceleration and brake. So I'm gonna let, I'm not sure if there's people behind me, but I'm gonna let these guys go by. I hear some people back there. Get some heat in my tires. This fat pig, I love this bike. 2007 GSXR 1000, completely stock motor. Everything else has been changed on this thing. We turned it into a track bike a few years ago, and I love it. But I have to tell you, the BMW S1000's next up. The 2015 will be turned into a track bike when the 2020 comes. The 2020 will be my street bike, but of course I'll have it out here on the track. So I don't know what to do with this thing, man. I got so much love for this, so I'm not sure it's gonna go anywhere, but I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be riding this thing. So got a couple droplets on the visor. Nice little group that we're running with. Got Corey, the instructor, up there. He's on a little 300. End of the day, he ain't got nothing until this corner, and then he's gonna come blazing past us. I just took his line. Sorry, Corey. Gixxer 1000, what do we got? Feeling good. I got some heat in the tires. We got Tex and Brian out with Cali Photography. Let's see how I look on this thing. Let's see how I look. Well, let's see how I look. Getting the low. That should be a nice picture. I can squeeze around him. You leave him a little bubble. back up. I think this is Don, our instructor, on his S1000R, which he loves. Let's see if he'll let me creep past him. Oh, passing has to be done before 6, because no passing in 7 or 8. Woo. Running a little faster earlier, slowing down a little bit. Little droplets on the visor on this side of the track. You guys are asking what I'm doing here on the left side. It's what we call the clutch. I don't know what this is over in the BMW. BMW's got that auto blip. Amazing. Good old 07. I gotta use the clutch. Such a hard time with that corner. I don't know why. Down this straight. And into turn 2. And set up for a beautiful little picture. We're dragging on that one. Oh, I forgot to put my asphalt and gas on. I was talking about them in my last video. Asphalt and gas in my leather pucks. This is a good... This is, man, I miss this bike. This is why I love this bike. I like this bike. No electronics. Throttle controls all the way, throttle braking, no ABS. I don't have any traction control. It's not tuned. It's got a tune flash, but no pizzazz, no nothing. Like I said, this is stock motor. Just get a mileage count here in a few. I think we're at like 18,000 miles on this thing. 11,000. That's absolutely mad. The BMW now has more miles than my 07 Gixxer 1000. I ride that thing. I love that thing. Wagner's MT-09 almost has as many miles. Woo, let's go. Don, man, Don, that's weak. So that was a big oops. So we got that cone. Someone nicked that cone, brought it right in truck. Trying to get them to red flag it, black flag it. we go. Black flag, black flag. All right. So we got an instructor out there. So that cone on that exit was just right in the middle of the track. That could have been a bad situation. These cones that we have are decent size, so sorry about my franticness. It was kind of in a position that the turn workers couldn't see. So one of the instructors may have come in and told them we got a cone on track. So that was a nice, fun little run. Thanks guys for coming along with me. Absolute blast. Absolute blast. Thank you guys. So what we did was someone hit this cone and knocked it out into the track. So we got a black flag. We're clearing back out. So let's go back out, guys. Let's run back out. That could have been a bad situation, so it's good that we got thanks, Turbo. Yep, yeah. It was dead smack in the middle, right on the I was like, oh shit.
Well, when you pulled in the wave over there, I figured it out.
Thank you. Someone hit the inside apex cone and it was dead smack the middle of the track, so. All right, let's go play. I think Don wants to go run. You want some, Don? Who do we got up ahead of us? Who do we got? Who do we got? We got nice warm tires, so no problem. Oh, Mr. England. What's up, Rai? Pass these guys in 5, I think. I believe I'll be able to smack that in 5. Yep. Woo! Right. I'll let him have that one. Take him on that one now. All right. It keeps up though. Nice little 750. Woo! There you go, guys! Our 7-Jixer 1000! Slip and slide, baby! Oh, jeez. That could have been a bad high side. Of the tire. this thing reeled in. Now I'm a little spooked. I'm a little spooked on that one. Sat me up. Ryan England's gonna have something to say about that one. We'll take it down a notch. We're going nowhere quick right now. I think that concludes my day. That's it for me, guys. That is my day, I think. Ended on a good note, you know. Look, stop while we're ahead. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel, because there is more where this came from. This is where we... Whoop. So I got a pants cleaning to do. There goes those guys. I'm good, man. I am good. I'm good with the day. So ended on a good note. But like I was saying, hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. There's a lot more of these videos coming to you. These videos that we're out on track, we work with people, we do some patrol stuff, and then there's days that I just like to go out and have some fun. Usually I'm out on my BMW S1000, but I thought, let's take the old BMW, or the Gixxer out. 07 GSXR 1000, no traction control. My little bucking Bronco. That was maybe my first little oh poop moment in a little while. I generally don't get down like that on this thing, but I think we got a little suspension work to do. I think I can get a little bit better suspension setups. And let's take a look at this tire before we end this video. But we're going to end this video here soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Smash that like button. Leave me a comment. I'm very active in responding to your comments, so leave me a comment on what you guys want to see in this channel. If it's got to do with motorcycles, I'm down for it. But let's take a look at these tires real quick. Yeah, not too bad. These are Power RS tires. We might be getting down. We're here at the wear indicator, so I think what we are, and we were on this side, so this is where we were, so we're getting down on the down, so it may be a tire thing, but you can see the different compounds here. So very cool to see the different wear, but you can definitely see the Gixxer. I work a lot more of the edge of this. With a BMW, I'm working more on the 1/3, and this one I'm right on the edge. So, and look how soft this is. But anyways, guys, thanks for sticking around. Till next video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button. Thanks, guys. See you next video.